Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Nader Al-Kilani again. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I will be covering the last three topics in Chapter 18, Data Manipulation for ICT IGCSE students. So the first topic I will be covering today is format reports, changing the currency and decimal places. The next topic is adding formulae in reports, like adding the summation, the average, the max, min, count for any of the fields. And the last topic is sort data and reports, ascending or descending. So let's get started. I have my database that I'm working on, and for this tutorial I'll be using one of the reports, cars with alloy wheels. We did that in a previous tutorial, so I'm gonna open the report and I'm gonna choose right click and then design view. Okay, so let's start with the first topic, format reports, change currency and decimal places. Now, to change currency and decimal places, obviously this works for the numerical values or the numerical fields. So let's take a look at the data that we have. Let's go back to report view, and obviously the only numerical values I have in this report is the S price, sale price, and the year. So only these can be changed. So let's go back and choose design view. Now, to change the currency and the decimal places, we need to select the data, not the label. Now, if you take a look at the page header, the page header contains the labels, the name of each field. So these can't be changed. We cannot change any of the decimal places or any of the properties for any of these fields. Maybe we can do some formatting on the text, the size, the color, but we can change the actual data, which is exist in the details section. So if you want to change the formatting, like the currency, like the decimal places, like the background of the data, you need to select the field from the details section. So I'm gonna select S price, and then I'm gonna select property sheet. Now in property sheet we have 5 tabs. I recommend that you only use the first one. Don't use the rest of the tabs for it's like programming issues. Professional programmers only can deal with these 4 tabs. So you need to work only on the first tab, format. Now to change that, let's say I need to change that to euro. So all you need to do is select euro, and it will be changed, but you need to click print preview or report view to see the result. I'm going to choose print preview, and here's the currency is changed to euro. Design view again. Now this is how we change the currency. Now the currency became euro. It was currency, and then we change that to euro. We can change that to percent. You have multiple options here, depends on the question. This decimal places, let's say we need to change the decimal places to 1 decimal place. Select anywhere else and open the print preview, and here in the sale price I have only 1 decimal place. Design view again. So I'm done with the first topic, changing the currency and decimal places. Now let's move on to the next topic, which is adding formulae in reports, like adding the sum, the average, any of these functions. Now let's say I wanted to add the total of the sell price, the total, the sum of the sell price, the S price. To do this, you can use two ways, two methods to do this. You can right click the field and then choose from total sum. That's the first one. And the second way is to choose from totals sum. So you need to be careful when choosing the right function for the right question. If it says sum or total, then you're gonna choose sum, not average, not count, not any other function. So I'm gonna click sum, and you will see the function in the report footer. Sometimes you will be asked to take a screenshot for this as an evidence, but you need to expand the box a little bit, so all of the function are visible. Let's take a look at the result in print review. So here's the sum for the sale price. Of course, we need to modify this. We need to move the result to the left. We need to shift that to the left. So to do this, we need to go to either layout view or design view. So here's the sum. We can simply click home and choose left align and close the box. Let's take a look. Print review. Yeah, it's working. It's better also to add label, or sometimes in the questions in the past paper they will ask you to add label for this result. So to add label, you will choose design view, and here's the label tool. One click and draw box, and let's say this is the total sale price. Of course, in the questions in the past paper they will give you the name of the label. Right click, print preview, and there you go. To make it more visible, more professional, we can change the color. So if you click home and change the color to black, that would be nice. Bold if you want. You can also change the size of the font. There you go. So here's the sum price. I can add maybe another function using the year this time, the year field. So if you click the year field, and let's use right click this time, total, and let's say that I need to display the max year from the entries. So I'm going to choose max. Now the both functions are overlapping. We can't allow this to happen. So I will drag this to the right just a little bit and expand the box so that you can see the whole function, all of it, all of the content of the function. They for sure they're gonna ask you to take a screenshot to display the function in the report view or in the report footer view. So let's take a look at the result. Yeah, it's far away to the right. We need to work on this. Let's use layout view this time. We can close the property sheet box. We don't need it now. You see, we can simply click home and choose left alignment. Let's make the font larger, 13 maybe. Yeah, that's too much. So expand the box, and there you go. We can also make it bold. We can change this as well. 12 bold. Yeah, there you go. Okay, last thing is sort data and reports, ascending or descending. Now, to sort the report, you need to choose either design view or layout view. Let's go to design view. Uh, Suppose I need to sort the data according to the color. So you're gonna click the color. Again, you don't have to click the label. It doesn't give you the right output. Click the data, or simply you can click anywhere else, doesn't matter, as long as this option is activated. You need to click group and sort, and then you need to sort by what color, maybe, or you can pick any other field. So let's say I need to sort that according to the model. So you click model, and finally you're gonna decide if it's ascending or descending. So with A on top, that's ascending. Z on top, that's descending. I'm gonna choose ascending this time. So I'm gonna choose with A on top. You are not gonna see any results until you right click and choose print preview. Let's take a look at the model. So the model is alphabetical order. Yeah, and that's all. Thank you for watching.